Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Science Talk Show. My name is Duy, and today I'm gonna be your host for this show. So a lot of you guys have asked me to do about the immune system, so that's what we're gonna do today. Let's start. Now, let's assume that you cut yourself with a nail. Nearby bacteria seize on the opportunity to enter the wound. They start duplicating and start to attack. The first line of defense arrives, the macrophages. Most of the time, they can devour up to 100 intruders each. When macrophages fight for too long, they call messenger proteins to communicate. Neutrophils leave the patrol routes and enter the battlefield. They fight so fiercely that they kill healthy cells in the process. If it's not enough to stop the invasion, the dendritic cell gets active and starts collecting samples from the intruders. It rips them into pieces and presents the parts on their outer layer. It then travels to the lymph node in a day. Here, billions of helper T cells are waiting to be activated. When the dendritic cell finally finds one, a chain reaction takes place. The helper T cell is activated and starts duplicating billions of times. Some become memory cells and stays. Some move to the battlefield to help out. Some move to the center of the lymph node to activate a very powerful weapons factory. The B cell then gets active and starts duplicating and starts producing millions of little weapons called antibodies. Meanwhile, at the battlefield, the situation is getting dire. The intruders have multiplied in number and start hurting the body. Guard cells fight hard but also die in the process. Helper T cells support them by ordering them to be more aggressive and to stay alive longer. But now, the second line of defense arrives. Billions of antibodies flood the battlefield and disable lots of the intruders. In a team effort, the infection is wiped out. Most immune cells are now useless, so they commit suicide so not to waste resources. But some stay behind, the memory cells. If this intruder is again encountered in the future, the memory cells will kill them before you even notice. But for now, ladies and gentlemen, I think it's time to end this video here. If you guys have enjoyed this video, remember to hit that like button down below, subscribe to SNOWMARZ and hit the bell down below. And yes, see you dudes next time.